Hi lovely people, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we shall be making dry okra soup. It is very healthy and nutritious. This was just me lighting my charcoal. In here I have some fresh tomatoes, some onions and some fresh pepper. Here I have dry anchovies and dawa dawa. And I have my dry okra, which is our main ingredient. I will also be making use of this smoked guinea fowl meat. This is ginger and garlic paste and seasoning cube. I'll go ahead, wash the meat and transfer it into our saucepan. I'll also wash the dry anchovies or kitasku boys and add to the meat in the saucepan. After which I will add salt, our garlic and ginger paste, some chopped onions and seasoning cube. I will now add some water to it and place it on fire. Our meat is boiling already, so I'll check on it and stir it and allow it to continue cooking. This is the fresh pepper that I'm grinding, and I'll also add the fresh tomatoes to it and grind. Our fresh pepper and tomatoes is ready, so I'll go ahead and add it to the meat, and then I'll also add our locust beans or dawa dawa to it, and then I will allow it to cook for a while. At this point, it is time for us to add water to the meat. Yes, we need to add the water enough for our soup, and then we will allow it to boil. This has been boiling for some time now. It's now time for us to add our dry okra. This dry okra has been pounded already, so I'll pour the okra gradually into the soup while stirring it frequently until it is enough, until it reaches the consistency that I want. I prefer a consistency which is not too light and not also too thick. I'll go ahead and add saltpeter to it. The saltpeter helps to make the okra soup more slimy, but if you do not want your okra soup to be too slimy, then you can skip the saltpeter. The soup is a bit thick for me, so I'll add a little water, adjust the salt, and allow it to cook until it is ready. Wow, our soup is now ready and it looks so delicious with that dawa dawa or locust beans in it plus the smoked guinea fowl meat. This soup tasted so delicious. If you have watched to this point, kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, and I would love to know what you would enjoy this soup with. For us, we enjoyed it with TZ. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.